Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Vibhuti Gudge. Currently, I am doing IT from NTVP's KBT College of Engineering, Nasik. Today's my presentation topic is web scraping. Suppose you want some information from a website. Let's say you want some paragraph on Sachin Tendulkar. Then what can you do? Well, you can copy and paste the information from the Wikipedia to our own file. But what if you want to get large amount of information from the website as quickly as possible? This is a large amount of information from a website and copy pasting. It is not possible. In such a situation, copy and pasting will not work. So in that case, when you will need to use a web scraping. So first of all, we see that what is web scraping. Web scraping is an automatic method to obtain a large information or data from a website. Most of this data is unstructured data in an HTML format, which is then converted into structured data in a spreadsheet or database so that it can be used in various applications. And which are the applications like Google, Twitter, Facebook, Stack Overflow, etc. And they have an API that allow you to access their data in a structured format. These include using the online services, particular APIs, or even creating your code of website of the web scraping from the start. Then there are many different ways to perform the web scraping to obtain the data from a website. Then we see that what are the different types of the web scrapers. First one is a self-built web scraper. Second one is a browser extension web scraper, software web scraper, cloud web scraper, and local web scraper. So you can have self-built web scraper, but that require the advantage knowledge of programming. And if you want more features in web scraper, then you need even more knowledge on the other hand. Pre-built web scraper are previously created scraper that you can download and run easily. And in browser extension web scraper are the extension that can be added to our browser. They are easy to run as they are integrated with our browser, but at the same time they uh, they are also limited because of this. Any advantage feature that are outside the scope your browser impossible to run the browser extension of the web scraper. But in the software web scraper, it don't have the limitation as they can be download and install on your computer. These are more complex than browser web scraper, but they also have advantage features that are not limited by the scope of your browser. Then third one is a cloud web scraper. Cloud web scraper is run on the cloud, which is an offsite server mostly provided by the computer that you can buy the scraper from. And last one is a local web scraper, on the other hand run on the computer using a local resources. So if in the web scraper required more CPUs and RAM, then your computer will become a slow and not able to perform the task. Next one is how web scraper works. Web scraper can extract all the data on particular site or specific data that a user want. Ideally, it best you to specify the data you want so that the web scraper only extract the data quickly. For example, you might want to scrap an Amazon page for a type of any data, but you might also want the data about the model of different juries and not the customer reviews. Then in this type the web scraper works. Then in Python language web scraper is working, but how? Then web scraper using Python seems to be the fashion of this day. It is most popular language of web scraping, as it can handle most of the process easily. Scrapy is very popular open source web crawling framework that is written in Python. It is also a variety of libraries that were created specifically for the web scraping. Then web scraping is used in price monitoring. Then it is also used in market research, news monitoring, sentiment analysis, and email marketing. These are the uses of this web scraping. Then there are some advantages of web scraping. First one is a save cost. Web scraper save the cost and time. It reduces the time involved in the data extraction task. Then accuracy of result. It gives the accuracy of result. Web scraping best beats human data collection hands with automated scraping. You get fast and reliable result that can be human possible. Then time to market advantage. Accurate result help business save time, money, and human labor. This led to an apparent time to market advantage over the competitors. And last one is a high quality. Web scraper provided access to clean, well structured, and highly quality data through the scraping APIs, so that fresh new data can be integrated into the system. This is all from all of the web scraping. This is all from me. Thank you so much.